This is ridiculous. Look at the snow I'm coming up on. I can't walk. Look at that. Oh boy, that was cold. Looks like the end of the world. What's up with the sky too? I don't know what the hell that is. Oh goodness. I'll come back when I get down there. I'm back. Don't know if I'll be able to make it down this hill. Somebody told me there's a tree laying in the middle. But it looks like people were driving, so. Ooh. Ah. Holy hell, I'll never make it to work. I dropped this phone, I'm done. Not that bad. It's just cold. Everything looks like white spaghetti. Look at that. Deer tracks. Whoa, oh shit. I'm getting deep. I guess there's the so-called tree. Yeah, I wouldn't drive up and down this either. Unless you got like a Mini Cooper with tall wheels. Whoa, whoa. This is getting... It's getting deep. Way too cold to be starting a vlog. Alright, it's getting too cold. I'm gonna go now. See you later.